श्रोत्रं श्रुतेनैव न कुण्डलेन दानेन पाणिर्न तु कङ्कणेन विभाति कायः करुणापराणां परोपकारैर्न तु चन्दनेन.
Today we sit with one of the most beloved verses of Sanskrit wisdom literature, a verse from the Niti Shataka of the poet king Bhartrihari. Listen to its sound first. Shrotram shrutena eva na kundalena danena paniha na tu kankanena vibhati kayah karunaparanam paropakareha na tu chandanena. The meaning unfolds like this. The ear shines by sacred learning, not by the earring. The hand shines by giving, not by the bracelet. And the body of those devoted to compassion shines by service to others, not by sandalwood paste. Let us walk through the words slowly, because the Sanskrit hides treasures. Shrotram means the ear. Shrutena means by that which is heard, by learning, by wisdom. And here is Bhartrihari's genius. Both words grow from the same root, shru, which means to hear. So the poet is saying that the ear is decorated by the very thing it was born to do. Even more beautifully, the word Shruta echoes Shruti, the ancient name for the Vedas themselves, the revealed wisdom that is heard. The true earring, he says, is revelation. Kundalena means by the earring, the heavy jewelled ornament that royalty wore. Danena means by giving, by charity, from the root da, to give, one of the oldest words in human language. Paniha is the hand. Kankanena means by the bracelet or bangle. Vibhati means shines forth, truly radiates, from the root bha, to shine, the same root that gives Sanskrit its words for light and for the sun. Kaya is the body. Karuna Paranam means of those for whom compassion is supreme. Paropakareha means by acts of helping others. Para meaning others and upakara meaning beneficial action. And chandanena means by sandalwood paste, the cooling, fragrant luxury that the wealthy smeared on their skin. Now, who is speaking to us? Bhartrihari, according to tradition, was a king of Ujjain who lived around the 5th century and who renounced his throne. The legend says he was given a magical fruit of immortality, gave it to his beloved queen, and discovered it had been passed through a chain of secret lovers until it returned to his own hands. Heartbroken and awakened, he walked away from the palace. Whether the legend is true or not, it tells us something essential. This verse comes from a man who owned every ornament in the world, who wore the earrings and bracelets of kingship, and who discovered from the inside that none of it ever made anyone shine. This verse sits in the section of his 100 verses devoted to Paropakara, to those rare souls who live for the benefit of others. What is the deeper teaching hidden here? In Sanskrit, the word for ornament is alankara, and it literally means that which makes something complete, sufficient, whole. Bhartrihari is quietly asking, what actually completes a human being? His answer is that each organ is completed by fulfilling its purpose. The ear exists to hear, so let it hear wisdom. The hand exists to reach out, so let it reach out in giving. The body exists to act, so let it act in service. An ornament merely sits on top of the body. Virtue shines through it from within. Notice also the three organs he chose. The ear is how we receive the world. The hand is how we give to the world. The body is how we live in the world. Receiving, giving, and being. The whole of ethical life in three images. And notice the quiet qualifier that many readers miss. Karuna Paranam, of those devoted to compassion. The verse does not say every act of charity shines. Giving in order to be seen giving is just another bracelet. Compassion must be the root, or the flower is artificial. There is a subtle psychology here as well. We tend to decorate exactly the places where we feel empty. The ear that has heard no wisdom needs the jewel to feel valuable. The hand that has never given needs the golden bangle. Ornament, in this sense, is a confession of vacancy. The fulfilled organ needs nothing added. This wisdom echoes across the whole world. Aristotle taught that the excellence of anything lies in performing its true function well. The Stoic teacher Epictetus said, "Do not adorn your body, adorn your judgments." The Bible asks that our adornment be not gold or braided hair, but the hidden person of the heart. And modern psychology has confirmed the verse with data. Research on human motivation shows that people who chase image, money, and appearance report consistently lower well-being than those who invest in growth, relationships, and contribution. Studies even show that money spent on others produces more happiness than money spent decorating ourselves. The helper's hand literally glows brighter in the chemistry of the brain than the jeweled one. And think of our own age. The modern earring is the curated social media feed. The modern sandal paste is the personal brand. We have infinite hearing and almost no listening. Bhartrihari's question lands on us with full force. What does your ear actually take in? So let me leave you with three questions to carry into contemplation. First, of everything you heard this week, how much made you wiser and how much was mere decoration for your attention? Second, where in your life are you displaying your abilities like a bracelet instead of using them as a gift for someone who needs them? Third, if every external marker of success were removed from you tonight, what would still make you shine? And here is a simple practice for today. Adorn your three organs deliberately. Give your ear 15 minutes of true wisdom, or listen to one person completely without preparing your reply. Give your hand one concrete act of generosity before sunset, however small. And give your body one act of physical service that costs you something real. Then, tomorrow morning, as you put on your watch, your jewelry, your perfume, let it trigger one question. What will actually make me shine today? Fill the organ, skip the ornament. That is the wisdom of Bhartrihari. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shantihi.
श्रोत्रं श्रुतेनैव न कुण्डलेन दानेन पाणिर्न तु कङ्कणेन विभाति कायः करुणापराणां परोपकारैर्न तु चन्दनेन